You gotta start them on the steps.
Go! Get your buckets! Get your buckets!
This is yours, Jake. No, this is yours. That's Joey's. Here, Joe.
Woo!
Where's our buckets? Uncle Jeff and I want one.
Woo! Okay, guys, start getting
No,
eggs.
it's not that way. They're all this way.
What are you burning?
Start getting eggs. Put them in your bucket.
Where's your basket?
Good job, Carson. Yeah, he made the jackpot.
Just leave it, Abe. You put it in there.
Wow, look at the Easter Bunny men.
Go find eggs, buddy. They're everywhere. Go.
1 minute and 40 seconds.
Carson, look at that one in the window.
Look outside, Carson. Get that. He's
Randy, are they falling out of this basket? Because I made him have that.
You got more than two.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, thank you.
Is that on the ground?
Yes, it's
What?
fine. He gave you
Carson
chocolate.
dropped out of his basket because his basket
Oh,
got all broken.
Joey, are you done?
Right here! Up there! Yay!
Happy Easter, Easter hunting. 47 seconds. 40.
Carson, go look in the window.
Blue.
Carson, come this way. Abe, I show.
Joey, go, go, go.
Okay. Yeah, it's only fair. Abe, you're actually dropping your eggs. Abe, I'll get them out for you, honey. Hold on, I'll get them.
There any more? You guys got them all?
There's some more.
Look way back there, Joey.
You got them here?
14, 13,
Go back there.
12,
Stay in the corner. Look in the corner.
11.
Joey,
Look in the corner by the ticker.
Look by the ticker couch.
is there some over there?
Yeah, there's two.
Carson.